it! Wow! Holy shit!
Yeah, it's not brand new, so.
I got one!
Okay,
I got one! Wow! Oh my god, are you kidding me? It's really mine?
All
You
yours.
didn't borrow it?
Paid for in cash.
Stop it. Paid for in cash?
I have ways of.
Hiding stuff from me.
Oh my god! Stop it!
Hold on, move. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Get out of the way, damn it. Right.
I'm videotaping it, Karen.
Oh my god.
It's unlocked.
Wow.
That door don't lock. Yeah. Scoot over.
Oh my god.
The door.
Scoot over.
The button on the window messed up when we were working on it, so I can't get the window to go down. And the lock thing came off the lock, so.
Gotta fix it.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, this is insane. Thank you. Wow. Oh my god. That's like the coolest ever. Oh, sorry, Nick.
Get me fucking close too.
Wow.
I got the brake lights on. I just gotta look at the brake. I've been working on this thing for 2 days. I ran out of time.
Oh my god.